Next question.
His Holiness, you told that the destroyer of our inner peace is anger. So can you suggest some ways in which we can maintain our inner peace and keep ourselves away from anger or any kind of such type of feeling?
I think firstly, we usually should take care about our physical health. So even you see a part of our sort of education or study, we also, include hygiene of physical. And now, we should include education about hygiene of emotion. So in education, the children, I think, should know what kind of emotion, really harmful for our physical as well as our inner peace, and harmful your friend or friendship, all these things. Other hand, more compassionate, our mind really, firstly, as I mentioned earlier, very, very helpful to our health. I think I can assure to you, with my experience, now I am 81 years old, but if you judge my face, what do you think my age? 80-year-old? Or seems younger? So I have nothing special to keep sort of the youth face there. Youth face. Nothing. When I met some of my friends after 10, 15 years, they say, oh, your face, nothing changed, still youthful. Then they ask me, what's the secret? Then I usually teach them, my secret, I must keep secret. Then I usually telling, I have nothing except peace of mind. No matter how difficult it is, when I saw some sort of tragic thing, I always look from wider perspective. Then, as I mentioned earlier, the very, very sad things on this planet there. But if you look holistic way, that there are also a lot of positive things there, which is basis of our hope. So any problem, if you look closely at one angle, then it appears unbearable. The same problem, look from distance and from wider perspective or different angle, then that not so sort of unbearable. So that's the way human brain, not animal brain. Our brain is something very smart. If we properly use our intelligence, our mind, our brain, combined with warm-heartedness, then our life truly become happy life. And no matter how difficult it is, we have the ability to keep our peace of mind.
Next,